think I will.
I got you, bro.
I'm still holding on to it.
Okay, that's okay. So we got a little rock coming off you. I'm going to get to the other side of it, bro. Alright, here's the deal. If you can, you can just give it like a big flop right on this thing. Just kind of give it a big old flop and then we'll get you located. Kind of towards me, belly flop right on that thing. Yeah, just go for it. Just go for it. Yeah, reach for the sides here, kind of pull yourself out. Hey, give it a big go. Give it a big go.
I can't, I'm scared.
Yeah, I got you. Look, we got a big pool over. You got it.
It's like getting on a surfboard. Sorry about that.
Right on.
Shut up, Gil. Shut up. Shut up. I need some water.
Hey, you got the full value. That's it.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Ayana here, and if you hear any noise in the background, it's because I have a fan on. But I went White River kayaking this past weekend, and it was almost as much fun as Hawaii, but not as much. I went with a program called First Ascents, and they focus on getting us people that have been affected by cancer back out there, specifically young adults. So usually First Ascents does week-long programs, but they've started to do things where they've gone to more like statewide hospitals and partnering up with them and creating like these nice 2 to 3 day week trips, which is really nice. And they happened to partner up with my hospital, and I thought that was super awesome. I was able to have my best friend go with me, which made it even more fun. And obviously I'm gonna have pictures and clips in here. We went White River kayaking in the Berkshires. If I tell you the specific, if I forget the specific name, I'll have it down here somewhere. But we stayed in the Hawley, Massachusetts area, and the scenery was just absolutely beautiful. I love nature. I love the outdoors, even though it doesn't love me that much. But I love the outdoors, and I love being out there, and I love all the beauty that it has to offer. So on the first day, we kind of took it easy. We didn't do much, just kind of got to know each other. And then by the second day, they took us out to a lake and had us practice flipping over and stuff like that. And it was a terrifying experience for me because, yes, I've been kayaking tons of times, but White River kayaking and the kind of kayaks that they use are so much more different. I did no homework ahead of time. I just kind of went with this. And yeah, I cried a little bit on my first day because it was absolutely terrifying. I mean, you have to practice rolling over in a kayak, and it's a really, really scary feeling. I'm not even gonna lie. But I had some really great instructors with me the whole time who made sure that I did not die, which was really, really good. So yeah, we spent about 3 days there. We had a chef there who came with us. She was amazing. Cooked really healthy food for us, and she was just a sweetheart. So in this group, we also left our real names at home, and we came with nicknames. My nickname was Hot Mess. Hot Mess 2.0, even Hot Mama was one of them. And it just all made sense for me, as you'll see in my videos. But it was a lot of fun, and the coordinator was amazing. Yeah, he was an amazing coordinator. Did a great job of making sure that we were all okay. And not to mention, I am not gonna lie, he was kind of cute, okay? Yeah, the coordinator, I thought he was kind of cute. But anyways, he was really nice and made sure that all of us were okay. And there were about maybe like 10, 11 of us campers, and most of us were from Children's Hospital, my hospital, but maybe like 3 other people were from outside hospitals. But I was actually really happy that I got to meet people that go to my hospital, because besides my best friend, I didn't know anybody that was a patient, that was a young adult, that was a part of my hospital. Getting to meet them and get everyone's numbers has been really awesome, because that's the main reason why I go on all these trips, is to make personal connections, meet friends, and have that person-to-person contact, because the virtual thing is just not enough. So that was a really, really good plus about this. That's all I really want to kind of say about the trip. And if you're interested in being a part of this trip, and you are a young adult that has been affected by cancer, feel free to email me, or I'll actually have some information down below maybe, if you really want to go. And I hope you guys enjoy these little clips, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you another time. Bye.
Ha ha ha.